How long do Sharp Smart TVs last? Sharp Smart TVs are designed to last between 5 to 10 years, depending on usage habits, maintenance, and display technology. With proper care, optimal settings, and safe power usage, these TVs can remain functional for up to a decade or more without significant performance loss. 1. Average lifespan of Sharp Smart TVs. A Sharp LED TV typically lasts 50,000 to 100,000 hours, which translates to 5 to 10 years of daily use. The backlight and power supply are the most critical factors affecting longevity. Second, display technology and durability. Sharp TVs primarily use LED and QLED panels, known for energy efficiency and long lifespan. LED TVs tend to last longer than OLED models because they are less prone to burn-in issues. Third, maintenance and usage impact. The way a Sharp TV is used and maintained directly affects its lifespan. Lowering brightness, keeping the TV well ventilated, and avoiding extended hours of continuous use can help extend its durability. 4. Common issues that affect longevity. Some common problems affecting Sharp Smart TVs include power supply failures, screen dimming, and dead pixels. Using a surge protector, cleaning the vents, and keeping firmware updated can help prevent these issues. 5. Warranty and manufacturer support. Sharp typically provides a 1 to 3 year warranty, covering defects and hardware malfunctions. Extended warranty options and authorized service centers ensure users can repair or replace faulty components when needed. 6. Tips to extend the lifespan of a Sharp Smart TV. Lower screen brightness to reduce backlight strain. Turn off the TV when not in use to extend LED lifespan. Keep the TV in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. Use a surge protector to avoid damage from power fluctuations. Regularly update the software to maintain performance and fix bugs. A Sharp Smart TV can last 5 to 10 years or longer with proper care and maintenance. By adjusting settings, ensuring good ventilation, and protecting it from power surges, users can enjoy a longer-lasting and reliable viewing experience.